Mm. Okay, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. A lot of exciting stocks to look at today. A lot of exciting stocks. Let me open them real quick. Let me clear some of these drawings. A few pretty exciting ones. Big runners from yesterday. Let's see. Let's go through a few of them. So iTronic pulling up to its previous high. It pulled up about 252% in 1.5 days, pulled back. You can see, and then I pulled up again. Next resistance we'll see about 69, then 75-ish, 75.5. Looks like that's the resistance. So right now, yesterday it hit a high of 73.5, 73, 73.5. See where this can go today. Data prep as well. Very, very, very crazy move. Strong days, a little bit of pullback, another few strong days. So you already know what we're looking for. Looking for that juicy dip buys. You know, how are the gloves gonna play out today? I wonder. They've sold out so much. Let me know where you think the gloves will rebound. Where do you think Top Glove or Supermax will rebound? Will it rebound at its what's this? It's June support. Will it rebound at its June support right here? Or will it continue falling? Let me know what you think. Because at this point, technicals don't really apply anymore. When hype is dead, no volume. So let's do a quick few lines on iTronic. What the levels we want to see. Definitely 63 is a decent support. Probably around the 60s as well. But I don't think iTronic is coming down anytime soon. It's still very fresh. Still very fresh in its run. So, more interested in data prep. Just drawing a few potential support lines. In case it starts to come back down, then at least we have some sort of reference point, you know. GFM, what's GFM? Is that a stock? I mean, the day hasn't started yet, so. But it did quite a strong move, so good shout on this. I will definitely keep this on watch. GFM. So. Data prep dropping down. Let's see. 138, huge resistance. MSM gapping up, Sign gapping up, iTronic maintaining slightly. Now let's watch data prep. Wow, we actually broke through. Really? As usual, my broker's orders are lagging. If you look at the orders right below me, it doesn't correspond to the price. No surprise there. Unreliable. I'm gonna change my broker soon. I'll let you know more about that in the future once I change. Xianling with a gap up, GFM with a strong gap up as well. Looking for any form of continuation on these. Looks like Top Glove is gapping down, selling off, not really gapping down. So a lot of potential action here, but we be patient and wait for the right setups. Make sure you hit the like button. If I get more than 10 likes in this stream, I'll stream again tomorrow. If not, it's going private for the students. iTronic selling off. MSM as well. Sign still holding. So if you're new to my stream, usually in the morning, I'll be jumping left and right. So data prep looks extremely strong on the orders. The huge support at 145. But as quickly as it comes, it can go 160, 650. How does iTronic dip? Haven't seen any good dips on iTronic, so. Wow, 140 would have been a decent pickup right there earlier. But these kind of plays are way riskier. So 140, definitely a decent pickup. GFM, how the orders? Wow, very nice. Very strong support as well on GFM. So I won't be surprised to start seeing it shoot up through 50 cents. Maybe you start to reject around the 50 cents level. We'll see. So it'll probably go like this. Something like that. Data prep now selling off. iTronic dropping below the level we want to see, but not much volume. We want to see heavy selling, but looks like it's just weakness. Okay. Looks like it's just weakness, not much panic selling yet. So data prep falling from its highs of 151. Can it find support at 140? Oh, it didn't even reach that high. Okay. High of GFM 480. GFM, can we see? Yep, okay. 480. Data prep dropping quite hard at one shot. iTronic. Ooh, that was a big sell, down to 61 cents, but still, I want to see a few more continuation, a few consecutive red candles. How's Sign doing? Sign also pushing up, very strong. Quite a few stocks to look at. None of them really showing any good setups for now. Is the stream back? Hello? Yep, okay. Okay. Saved! Okay. Nice, nice, nice. We're back. We're back. We're back. Let's see. What are we looking at? Data prep. Let's see if we can get a continuation on this. So, two very nice continuation plays, either data prep or GFM. How do we choose? GFM looks very, very strong. Up, rejecting a bit. Everything is sort of rejecting a bit. Data prep, GFM. Do we pick up GFM? Okay, I'm in GFM. Picking up GFM right here. 0.48. Hitting a bit of resistance, that's okay. As usual, let's see if we can get our strong continuation. Bit of resistance at 48 cents. That's fine. Let's see. How's data prep? Data prep with a sell-off. Hopefully this doesn't follow data prep. Looking for a quick continuation up through 50 cents, ideally to 52, 53. That is where we want to watch for. So can we take out 48 cents? There we go. Very nice. Let's hold 48 cents. Let's hold 48 cents. Come on. It's struggling a bit. Definitely. Still managing to hold, hopefully. Very, very strong. So let me just have a quick look of everything else. MSM is selling off. This might be a nice play, but I want to focus on GFM. MSM. I'm gonna take a quick peek. If GFM falls below here, let me know. I'm gonna look at MSM for a short while. This might backfire, but I hope not. MSM. Usually I suggest you just focus on one stock at a time. But I'm greedy, so data prep out of the way. Itronic, give me an alert if you break this. Okay, MSM, not much. Okay, back to GFM. Now, what we want to see is the crack of 50 cents. Now, that will be the first major resistance to get through. Students, you already know this is what pattern this is. You should already know how to. You should know the setup for this pattern already. If you haven't, make sure you watch Breakout Crash Course Part 2. It's very, very, very obvious, very clear. Meeting a bit of selling into 48 cents, 47.5. Not ideal, but let's see if we can hold the 47.5 level. Meeting a bit of resistance at 48 cents. Definitely not ideal. Can we hold 47? That is the question. Can we hold 47? So suddenly a huge chunk of selling at 48 cents. But can we hold? Can we hold? Can we hold this 47-cent level? It seems like we're struggling to hold this 47 level. We might have to chop our position down. Yep, I'm out. All out. Unlucky. Unlucky. This didn't go as planned. But that's okay. We take the small loss. Did I manage to stop out? Yep, okay. That's fine. So small loss here, there was a lot of potential for it to continue pushing all the way. Now we focus on the rest. Itronic still not selling to the level that we want to see. Okay. So I bought it, actually I got in quite large on this move earlier. So I took quite a chunky loss, about, I would say, let me do some math. About 2.5k right there. But if it went up to like 51, 52, there would have been like a 6-7k win. Oh well. Now we'll see whether it has a chance to. Will I re-enter? I don't think I will re-enter on this. I don't really look for the re-entries. 470. Not bad. See what is everybody else doing? Who is the top gainer for today? Landmark MM Corp. JF Tech is up on the list again. Solar Vest. Few familiar names. Landmark. What is this? Big Green Day. Big Green Day. MM Corp. MM Corp. Okay. Wow, all these look so rubbish. Okay, let's just focus on the few that we were looking at already. Supermax is still coming down. Oh my god, it's almost touching 4 ringgit. Wow, almost touching $4. 2-to-1 split. This is back to 8 ringgit pre-split. So back when gloves were hot. Remember when Supermax was at like 22 ringgit? Now it's worth 8 ringgit. Well, after the split, 4 ringgit and 6 cents. Honestly, I'll be surprised if it doesn't hold 4 ringgit. But it broke through 5 quite easily, I think. GFM. Okay, now we just wait for the next good setup to appear. Let me get this onto the students group. Okay, here we go. Itronic. Let's see how hard you can dip. Down to 57 maybe. Oh, consecutive red candles. I want to see consecutive red candles. Big consecutive red candles. Big consecutive red candles. 57. 7 might be a good pickup. Come on, dip harder. Dip harder, dip harder. Why you look so town? Let's put it up here. So lame, dude. Why is the dip so weak? So weak. I tried to pick it up at 57, but no one sold it to me. Able Group. Okay, let's have a look. Able Group. What's this? Not bad. Nice morning move. Decent daily chart as well. Multi-day breakout level. 21 cents ish. And then about 30 cents probably. 29.50. 30 cents. Okay, we can have a look at this. A lot of volume. Out of nowhere. MSM. Out of nowhere as well. Itronic. What a waste of a dip. There was so much potential there. To sell off, maybe give like huge sell down. But it's okay. MSM. Data prep. I still believe this can go. GFM, I mean. Looks very strong. Sudden huge amounts of volume. But resistances around here, 49. Okay, makes sense. 49.5 resistance. High of 147. There we go. Itronic, can we sell harder? Sell more, sell more, sell more. I know you want to sell. Stop buying it up. Whoever's buying it, stop touching it, man. Let me have my bite. How low can you go? How low do you want to go? Say 51. But knowing iTronic is not gonna sell off, like it's gonna do this like stupid. Whoever is picking it up on these kind of like small bounces. What a waste, man. Doing it again. Whoever's doing it right here. Whoever doesn't want to let it sell. Oh well. No setup, no trade. Able group. Okay. Hey. So 9:30 only. Wow. Seems like there was quite a lot of action that happened already in the past 30 minutes. Able group selling off a bit too hard already. The volume slowed down. MSM, can you consolidate slightly lower? Actually, here is fine. Yeah, here's fine. Oh, GFM broke its 46-cent support. No, it's most likely going to be downhill from here. The prep, how's orders like? 50, a lot at 150, 148. Makes sense. 151. MSM, I have day 47. Probably a lot of resistance, 48 to 1.5. 148 to 1.5, probably thick resistance. That's why I rejected. So great about MSM. What's so good? It's a sugar company, right? MSM. Oh, I see. So they did a good quarter. Finally back in profit. Whoa, they've been loss making for like 2.5 years. Finally back in profit. I see. Okay. Okay. Makes sense. So iTronic, there we go. This nonsense 2 cents, but 1.5 cent bounces. Whoever's buying this, hope you enjoy your average down lah. 47. Any potential plays now? MSM probably potential if it can flatline. GFM broke down to 44 cents. Doesn't look like there's much other potential plays right now. Electronic rubber, gloves, all down. Rip, boy. IMS, PEB. PEB keeps popping up on the radar, but very hard to trade this stock. It's so thin. So what alerts do we have? MSM on alert, data prep on alert. Yeah, screw iTronic lah. It's gone down so much, there's not much space left for it to panic off. Just like that, data prep. Did I miss the boat? Oh, yeah. Yep, I missed the boat. Oh well, I tried to buy in 150 and 151, but I'm just gonna leave the order there and see if we can get a pickup. Yeah, so fast. It was so quick. That was way too quick. I tried to pick it up here. My order is still sitting there. Wow, look at that. Insanity, man. Yeah, there's no by the time it comes back, it's not gonna do much anymore. So. Oh well. Boomer fingers, eh? 2 seconds to react. Where did my alert pop at? 149. I placed it at 149. Yeah, that makes sense. Wow, but I moved so fast. Damn. It would have been like a 20-second trade in 150, out at 156, 157. No, that's fine. MSMs are trying to push up, but the consolidation is so short. Not really a fan of the structure yet. Hasn't really built much support for itself. It's 47. So strong. MSM 147, 148, 149. We'll see. Yeah, I want to see it consolidate slightly longer. It's too quick for my liking. So take the prep. Still holding 155 quite well. So I won't be surprised to start seeing it shoot up again. 160s and whatnot. MSM? What? Oh. Right, okay. It's pushing up, but look at that 150 resistance. Very, very fat resistance. What's my big project? You'll see. You'll see. Hopefully I get it done. Hopefully I get most of it done this month. But it's gonna take... I mean, I can't rush it. Definitely no way I can rush it. MSM. Touching 147, but there's so much resistance on the way up, so... I'm just gonna sit this one out. It could very well just fly without me, but that's fine. Prefer to wait for a setup that fits most of my criteria. I wanted to see a longer consolidation. This would have been a nice one, but too slow. Too slow. So let's just watch MSM and see. So both of our alerts already popped, so that means there's no other plays for the rest of the day, I guess. Even if GFM is gone lah. GFM broken down a bit too much for me. Uh, there we go. The rejection came in. So good choice on not picking this up for now. But it can very well still continue in its slow, grindy fashion, MSM style, you know. Look at how it goes up. It just grinds up very slowly. Staircase. I call this a staircase. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Dut, 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 dut. Yeah, and I don't like to play these. So it could continue like that all the way. Data prep gonna pop 160. Is it gonna pop 160? Nope, it doesn't look like it. I think data prep will give us quite a nice dip buy soon. It gave quite a nice one here earlier on. So how aggressive whoever is accumulating this, right, they're doing it very, very aggressively. So they're probably holding a lot of size. Look at the volume on this thing as well. Insane. Okay, it cracked still. Wow. You saw how heavy the resistance was just now. It cracked 1.6 and it came back down 1.59 with huge selling, but somebody just bought the whole thing. So 165, 166 wouldn't surprise me now. So imagine if you picked it at 150, sold some at 156, sold the rest at about 165. Imagine. One can only imagine. In an ideal world. So MSM sold off. So you see, at least we made one good decision, right? It's not really about always making money, it's about avoiding the wrong trades. So technically, I saved X amount. But it's just all sticking to the plan lah. Just wait lah. Wait for the next good setup. So this loss today puts me down probably about 2k on the month. Nothing we can't recover. One good trade can recover it like 2 to 3 times really. Wow, data prep. Data prep. All this just to raise funds. Nuts. Nuts, nuts, nuts. So it's touching all-time highs already, I think. Yep, it touched. Its previous all-time high was 162. So sky is the limit from here on. You want to know a quick observation? If you see the orders, right, there's always 3 layers of orders following it now. If you want to look at it, you scroll back on the stream, you just drag it back on the stream. Look for when I was looking at data prep back when it was still around the 155 level. Same structure. They just have like tons of orders stacked below, like one step below. Wow, all the way up, man. 170. What's the limit up? 187 is the limit up. Look at that. Air Asia is back on the list. Unisem. Air Asia. What's new? Okay, not bad. So let's see how hard this can sell off. Okay. The gloves with a bit of a recovery, but everything else looks like it's slowing down. Data prep with the most action today, MSM as well, but MSM not really finding its momentum. Landmark I saw just now, not that good. Everything else looks meh. Air Asia. HT Padu. Everything else has very little volume. Yeah. Selling. Everything is selling. MSM. MSM. How far has it pushed? Okay. Surprisingly, it's holding 165 very well, even though the resistance on this is so heavy. So there we go. Somebody put a huge buy order at 166. Wonder if that's just a fake order. I'll just keep an eye on this, see whether it disappears or whether it maintains there. This 6,000 lot order. Is this enough to push up the stop? Or will it disappear? Still there, still holding 167, not bad. So whenever you see huge orders like this, you can't help but be skeptical whether it's gonna stay there or not. Whether is this enough to push the stock back up. Okay, 950. No need to sweep lah. I don't see any potential plays as of now. Definitely no potential plays unless if data prep can flatline for a while, then maybe. If data prep can start consolidating, but it's limit up 187, so quite a lot upside still. So yeah, other than that, other than data prep, I don't see any other. I don't think I'll trade any other counters today. Looks like everything is slightly slowing down. This was our best bet today. Even though we lost on this one, this was a very nice trade. Very strong potential on this one. So data prep still holding. So it seems like it managed to convince the public that this big order is enough to hold the stock up. But I'm not gonna chase it lah. I have no interest in chasing these. Data prep 150. Even if I got in here, I would have sold off on the way up already lah. Even if I didn't, I most likely would have sold into the 156, 157s, and then would have chopped it off about 165. Wow, so it's managing to pull it back up. That's crazy. Okay, so we're almost to 10 likes. 10 likes and I'll continue streaming on right here tomorrow. Make sure you help me go down and smash the like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Right now, not much news coming out either. Nice. Let's see if we can follow this trend line all the way. Start riding this support upwards. That would be ideal. Data prep. Yeah, iTronics out of the question already lah. GFM as well. Broken down too much. Oh, sick, we hit 10 likes. Okay, so appreciate all of your help to hit the like button. It really does help my channel grow and reach larger audience. So I guess I this month maybe I'll try to drop a few videos depending on how my schedule is like. Depending on how many projects I have to run at work as well. Let me check. Okay. Might be able to do a few videos this month, but stay tuned for something that will benefit those who are hardworking and want to learn. Okay. Again, thanks for all your support. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you learn in return, right? You hope you learn something. Even if you don't make money, hopefully I save you from making any bad trades. Hopefully I save you from making any bad decisions. Yep, so we got to 10 likes. That's great. Oh, means I'll see you tomorrow, 9 a.m. Don't be late. Might be in for some exciting plays soon, with data prep still pushing upwards, with sign, with okay, not iTronic anymore, with MSM. See how strong these tickers are, and we know what happens to stocks that go up too quickly. So hopefully we get a dip buy in one of these coming days. Today is Tuesday, so we got 3 days left of the week. Hopefully we get to see a nice chunky dip buy soon. So thanks everybody for tuning in. See you tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Yep. Peace.